this shower head to the shower for 2 reasons. First reason is this is my kids' shower and they are short, and by the time this water gets down to them, it's already cooled down so much that they always have it on high, so we're running out of hot water way too fast. And so I'm going to get them a handheld shower head, and I'm going to attach it lower down so they have easy access. I'm also picked this shower head because it has a pressure wash feature, so I can clean this shower easily. I can just switch the pressure washer and scrub it down. So let me show you the shower head and let's set this up. Now, if I was attaching it right up here, this is the attachment for it. Let me show you that close up. Now this does have give, so you can aim it, so you can have it go where you want. It's not too much give, but it is some. So that definitely helps. And then you can lock it into place by twisting it tight. Now here is the shower head itself. It has the slider right here for all the different options. We'll try that out when I turn it on. And this is to go to the pressure washer right there. Good handle, feels good. So putting this together is so fast. All I do is twist this onto one of these ends and twist the other end onto either this or the piece I'm using, so I can use both shower heads at the same time. Let me show you. Super easy to twist on. You only need to hand twist these. Know that. You don't need tools to get these tight enough. And I like that this is light enough for my kids to hold. And it has a lot of length, which is great when I'm pressure washing. So undoing this, and now I'm going to attach the handheld shower head. So now I have the shower head and the handheld all attached. That is a lot of pressure. Let's move it to the next one. That's lovely. We got more of a really nice normal shower. More focused. But then if I want to pressure wash anything, I just hit the button on the back. And it turns into a washer. So I can clean it. And with this, I can clean the whole shower super easily. That is so impressive. And it can just sit there when not in use. So easy. And if I want, I can have them both going at the same time. Obviously, it's going to be a lower pressure on both if I do that, but then it gives my child double the options. This shower head, I am so impressed by. It is doing such a great job. I really love it. I think my kids will love it too.